Hi guys, I thought I'd show you the sign I made today. I didn't even know I was gonna make anything today, so I think that's pretty funny. But I saw a board and I thought, I'm gonna glue something on that. Okay, stay tuned if you want to watch how I made it. Hi everyone. Well, I'm gonna try to make something today. I got this board from my nephew. I think he got it when he got it like a heavy piece of furniture, and then this was in like, because it says only for packing, but it was cracked and slightly, not much, and I thought, slightly bent, but I thought not much, and I thought, those big black stickers from the Dollar Tree, well, I have them somewhere, and you think I could find them. I can't. So I wanted to put like Be Mine on here with maybe cute little, I got these a long time ago from Michael's, and then put Be Mine on there. I thought that would be cute. And I thought, should I paint it white or pink or red? And I don't have any white paint. Used it all up. And so I thought, okay, scrapbook paper. So I might use scrapbook paper, but then you could see where the two papers would meet. I don't know. And then I found some Be Mine stickers that I had from scrapbooking days. I thought I might use that paper. Then should I use this paper because it's red and pink? It's coming up shocking pink in the viewfinder here. So here's the other side. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I'll be right back. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, I forgot to tell you about the crack. Okay, so I got these hearts from Dollar Tree. That was the welcome sign, and I just took the letters welcome off, and then I thought I'd paint them. But then I thought, you really got to have vision to cover up the cracks. I thought maybe that would look cute. Like I said, you really got to have vision. So, and you really got to love just old stuff like these little couple here. What's that called? Victorian or no? So that's how it would look with some kind of background. So I thought that would be cute. Okay, I just decided to use that paper, so I'm gonna Mod Podge these on. Then I'm gonna have that middle seam, but that's where I'm gonna put the hearts. So I'll be right back. Well, I went through some more papers because I really messed up on the first one. I'll show you that in a minute. I like the hearts, but it's like lace, and I didn't want lace on there. I don't know. Well, so far I have this. It's not glued down yet, but I liked it because it has both the red and the pink. But I don't know. So my mistake was I put the paper that I wanted on there. And what paper was that? I can't find it now. Anyway, I put the Mod Podge on the board, and then I put the paper there, and then I thought, okay, I'll cover it with Mod Podge. Well, that made it buckle, and I forgot that does that for when I do it. So I took it off, and then I'm just going to use the other side for now, and maybe come back and put paper on that side just to make it pretty. Okay, I'll be right back. So I think I like this pattern paper better because of the hearts, and it says it looks vintage to me. Unless I'm just making it up in my head how vintage it looks, but I don't like certain words like lover girl and lover boy, but maybe we can hide those or just not pay attention to those. And then I'll use this paper for the backing because I messed up the back so badly. That was once the front. I'm confusing you, aren't I? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I like how it turned out, and what I glued the paper onto the board with Mod Podge, not on top, because for me it buckles, and I know I can smooth it out, but I'm too lazy. So then I painted the edges red, and I got some on the paper, which I kind of like, actually. Yeah, that's what I'm telling myself. And here's the middle, as you can see, doesn't match, so I'm going to put the hearts there, and I'll be right back with that done. Okay, that's how it turned out. I'm thinking maybe adding another heart just to fill that up a little bit. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put I like how it turned out as far as the red and the paper. I'm happy. I'm going to put the little guys on there. Be right back. Okay, I like that. They're such a cute little pair, aren't they? Okay, now to put the Be Mine on this side. It's going to be crooked. Okay, I had these alphabet stickers, and whenever I watch a video and someone says, I just happen to have this in my stash, I'm just like, oh, I have to go buy that. Anyway, what I really wanted was the huge dollar store stickers that I can't find in my stash. I think I'm so organized, and then I try to find something. Oh, a quote of the day. Anyway, I'm going to try to put this on there, and the pink matches the little pink hearts. And, yeah, it's going to be all this way and that way, crooked. I never can put letters properly. But on this project, I do want them scattered. Look. Okay, be right back. How many times have I said that? I'll be right back. Okay, that's how it turned out. And I'm okay. I'm good with it. It's not wonderful, but I'm happy. And it's good to be happy. And then the hearts I put doubled on here. And then I thought, would that look better? Or would this look better? It kind of looks like a flower. I don't know. Like a lot of pink going on over here. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I put it next to my, inside my secretary desk. And I think I like it. Let me sit down. Oh my goodness. I put plastic underneath it for now in case that little bit of red paint on the bottom wasn't dry, and then I would be painting my secretary desk red. So, yeah, I do like it. I think it's one of those things you'd see in a someone's craft store that they just put things together. I wouldn't pay their price. In other words, I don't think I would buy this. But since I put it together, I'll keep it. So, cute little angel. Closer here. So that's it. I hope you like it. And You know, the funny part is I didn't even know I was going to glue anything today, as I call it. So I just saw that board and I thought, well, why not? Okay, I hope you guys are staying nice and warm. It's like -1 over here. Oh, I'll try to show you all the snow still. If it comes through, sure. My porch angel, she's all covered. She was covered completely, so I guess it's an improvement. Nice and cold out there. I had a hard time turning my car over today. And I've been going out there every day, turning it on and making sure it started. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Hi. Hi, Bella. What you doing? Oh my goodness. How's my Bella? Are you a good girl? Yeah. Love you. Hi. I love you. Such a good girl you are.